morning everyone, I am Gudiya Kumari from BCA AKU second sem and I am going to explain for loop in C programming. So for loop is entry control loop and we perform some specific statements for a number of time, and here we know the number of iteration. For loop has three parts, which is initialization, text expression means condition, and increment or decrement. So we will understand it better with the help of flowchart. So first is the initialization. If the condition given here is true, then will come inside the condition and the statements inside the condition will be printed, and after that our value will be incremented and will again check the condition. If it is true, then will again come in the condition statements, and if the condition is false, then we'll continue with the rest of the code. We can understand this further with the help of this diagram. So this is for loop. It consists of three parts. First is initialization, separated by semicolon, condition, semicolon, updation means increment or decrement. So here we write some specific value. If the condition matches to that value, then we'll go inside the for loop, and if it becomes false, then we'll come out and the statements outside the for loop will be printed. We'll see it further with the help of code. So this is a code to print the table of any desired number will provide it. So first is hash include stdio.h, which is the header file, and hash include is the preprocessor directive. Then next comes int main, and here we have declared two variables, that is I and a. Then we'll give a prompt message that enter a number to find its table. Then we'll take input from the user with the help of scanf, and here we'll use for loop, and first condition is I is equal to 1. Now we'll check the condition I is smaller than 10. That makes the for loop true. Then we'll come inside the body of the loop and it will print 1, the given user number here, and 1, and so on it will be printed. So now we'll come on to increment. After that again the condition will be checked, and if the condition becomes true, then we'll come in the for loop true part, and otherwise we'll go out of the for loop and print rest of the statements. So the output to this will print the table of 6, and this is the table of 6 as shown here. Thank you. This was all about for loop.